Namaskar kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Myself Kavita Krishnani. I am taking GK subject in UKG. Today's thought of the day: one child, one teacher, one pen, one book can change the world. So today's thought meaning is एक चाइल्ड एक टीचर वन पेन एंड वन बुक कैन चेंज द वर्ल्ड. वो पूरी हमारा वर्ल्ड चेंज कर सकती है. एक बुक, एक टीचर एंड एक पेन. राइट नाउ टुडेज वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न अबाउट मंथ्स ऑफ द ईयर. मंथ्स ऑफ द ईयर. राइट. सो किड्स, हाउ मेनी months are there in a year? 12 months. Right. Which month is this? This is the first month of the year, that is January. Right. January month has 31 days. इस month में winter season is going on and celebrated public day. Right. And in this month, and when we celebrate public day on 26th January in this year, isn't it? Yes, this is a January month. January is the first month of the year. Okay. Now our next month is, which month is this? Second month is February. February is the shortest month of the year, that is February. ये छोटा इसलिए है क्योंकि इसमें 28 डेज होते हैं. राइट. और 28 या 29 डेज होते हैं. व्हाट इज द स्पेलिंग ऑफ फेब्रुआरी? FEBRUARY. फेब्रुआरी. नाउ इट इज थर्ड मंथ ऑफ द ईयर. राइट. विच मंथ इज दिस? मार्च. इट हैज 31 days. हाउ मेनी डेज? 31 days. राइट. एंड इस मंथ में आप हर जगह कलरफुल फ्लावर्स देख सकते हैं बिकॉज स्प्रिंग सीजन इज गोइंग ऑन. स्प्रिंग सीजन इज गोइंग ऑन. और इस मंथ में कितने डेज होते हैं? 31 days. एंड व्हाट इज द स्पेलिंग ऑफ मार्च? MARCH. March is the third month of the year and 31 days in this month. Now our next month is, which month is this? Fourth month, April. And which season? Summer. इस month में 30 days होते हैं. Right. And the summer season. This month is this summer season. How many days in this month? 30 days. And what is the spelling of April? APRIL. 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 Now next month is, which month is this? This is the fifth month of the year. How many days in this month? 31 days in this month. And we can do many water activity in this month. Right. आप वाटर एक्टिविटी करते हो ना, स्विमिंग में जाते हो, स्विमिंग सीखते हो, एंजॉय करते हो. राइट. समर सीजन में हम वाटर एक्टिविटी भी कर सकते हैं. एंड व्हाट इज द स्पेलिंग ऑफ मै? MAY. मै. MAY. मै. Month in 31 days. Right. Now our next month is, there is a sixth month of the year. We have summer vacation during this month. It has 30 days in this month. आप समर वेकेशन में जाते हो ना नाना के घर. राइट. एंजॉय करते हो. सो दिस मंथ वी हैव going summer vacation during this month. And how many days in this month? 30 days. Right. And what is the spelling of June? JUNE. June is the sixth month of the year and 30 days in this month. Now our next month is, now come is seventh month, that is July. With rainy season, it has 31 days. We use umbrella, raincoat, gum boots in this season. Right. Do you like rainy season? Yes, I like. I also like rainy season. And what is the spelling of July? July. July. Still going on 8th month of the year. Which month is this? August. Yes, August has 31 days and we celebrated Independence Day. Right, which day going on Independence Day? 15th August. And what is the spelling of August? August. August is the 8th month of the year. And how many days in this month? 31 days. Now our next month is 9th month. September. 9th month is September. It has 30 days in this month. इस month में autumn शुरू हो जाती है, right? And leaves brown होने लगते हैं and गिरने लगते हैं. And what is the spelling of September? September. September. September has 30 days in this month. Now our next month is 10th month. 10th month, the year October. Okay. And how many days in this month? How many days? How many days in this month? 31 days in this month. और हमारे प्यारे बापू का जन्मदिन भी होता है इस मंथ में, राइट? सो वी सेलिब्रेट गांधी जयंती in 2nd October. What is the spelling of October? October. October is the 10th month in the year, right? And we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti in this month. Now our next month is 11th month the year November. इस month में थोड़ी थोड़ी ठंडी शुरू हो जाती है, right? And we wear woolen clothes in this month. And what is the spelling of November? November. November has 30 days, right? And this is the 11th month of the year. Now next month is December. December month is last month of the year. Last month name is December. And December में कौन आता है? Santa Claus आता है, right? And we celebrate Christmas on 25th December every year. And what is the spelling of December? December. December is the last month of the year. Our topic is month of the year. Month of the year, right? Now kids, how many months are there in a year? How many months are there in a year, right? एक साल में कितने मंथ होते हैं? 12 मंथ, राइट? 12 मंथ. हाउ मेनी मंथ आर देयर इन अ ईयर? 12 months, right? So kids, what is the first month of the year? First month is January. So what is the spelling of January? January. January is the first month of the year, right? First month of the year. Now kids, second month. What is the second month of the year? What is the second month? Yes, first month is January, second month is February. February. Right. Now our third month. What is the third month? Third month of the year, March. MARCH. year. Now fourth month. What is the fourth month? January, February, March and April. April. Now fifth month of the year. What is the fifth month? May. Now what is the sixth month of the year? January, February, March, April, May, June. J, U and E. June is the sixth month of the year. Now our seventh month. What is the seventh month of the year? Seventh month. July. So what is the spelling of July? J U L Y. July. J U L Y. July. Now eighth month. What is the eighth month of the year? July. Then August. A U G U S T. August is the eighth month of the year. Now ninth month. What is the ninth month of the year? September. S E P T E N B E R. September is the ninth month of the year. Right. Now next. What is the 10th month of the year? October. O C T O B E R. October. October. O C T O B E R. October. Now what is the 11th month of the year? 11th month is November. N O V E N B E R. November. Now our last month. What is the last month of the year? Last month is December. And December is the 12th month of the year. D E C E and B E R. December. Right? Now kids, these all are our month of the year. Now kids, now tell me how many days in a January month? How many days in a January month? So January month is a 31 days. You have to count, you have to touch. January is a 31, then February is a 28 and 29. So February is the shortest month of the year, right? Now March is a 31 days. Then April is a 30. May is a 31. Then June is a 30. July is a 31 days. August is a 31 days. So like this. So January, how many days in a January month? 31 days. And then second month is February. February is the shortest month of the year. So how many days in a February? 28, yeah, 29. Right. Now, then which month? March. How many days in a March? So 31 days, right? And then April, 30 days. May, 31. June, 30 days, right? July, how many days in a July month? 31 days. And then August, 31 days. And September, 30 days, right? October, July. Now how many days in October month? 31 days. And how many days in November month? 30 days. And how many days in December month? 31 days. हम बोलते हैं ना 31st December हम सेलिब्रेट करेंगे, राइट? So kids, these all are month of the year and with days. Now some important questions answer. Our question is, first question is, how many months are there in a year? Answer is 12 months. How many months? 12 months. Now our second question is, which is the fourth month of the year? April. Now third question is, which is the sixth month of the year? June is the sixth month of the year. Fourth question is, which is the 8th month of the year? August. And then next, which is the 11th month of the year? November. Now next, which month comes after January? February. Now our next question is, which month comes before June? May. Which month comes before June? May. Which month comes after August? September. And in which month does our Independence Day comes? August. Now our next question is, in which month does our Republic Day come? Which month? January. And in which month is Gandhi Jayanti? October. Now our next question is, in which month is Chacha Nehru's birthday? November. So kids, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.